to hold the ball of chi. Then you're going to shift your weight to wider than shoulder width apart. And then open. Now we're going to move your pelvis side to side. Slowly coming down, bending forward, keeping your palms connected at the center. Moving it side to side. Just continue shaping the creative energy in your palms. Whatever you want to create or need to create, just imagine it manifesting. Now we're going to slowly move towards one leg. Keep the pelvis moving side to side. The arms, just let that go. Like water, flowing, following the movement. Great, now let's move towards the other leg. Keep your spine engaged. Breath is neutral. Come back to center. And now we slowly rise up. So moving through the pelvis, slowly coming back to standing. Now we close again back to your Tansong, or standing Qigong. And you can have one breath there. Hello my friends, today let's dive deep into one of the Meridian Qigong exercises called rolling the ball. So I'm here with Pascal, he's going to demonstrate the exercise. Okay, so first you're going to stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and then you're going to hold the ball in front of your hand by activating your Laogong points. Now slowly open into wider than shoulder width apart. Good. And now we're going to move the pelvis side to side. Okay. So make sure that you're moving from the pelvis and not the shoulders. So try to move the hips to the side by pushing into your legs. Good. Slowly bending forward. Make sure you're not slouching your spine. So make sure you're engaging that spine. Good. And as you move your pelvis, allow the rest of your body to move with it. And make sure the center of your palms are connected, stays connected. Yes. And then keep moving. Looking good. Right. And then from here, you can also move towards one leg. Nice. And then you can also move towards the other leg. Okay, looking good. Come back to center and rise up. Okay, good. And then we close back into your standing Qigong. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this practice and feel free to save this for later.